There exists so many different ways to astral project, and sometimes it tends to be confusing. Which one will be the right one for me? Which one is actually a lie? Which one has been used in the past by yogis who truly astral projected? Well, there might be a way for you to hack the whole process. And if you ever had a vivid or a lucid dream, this method could open a new door to a totally new dimension of life to you. First, let's understand what is a lucid dream. When you are aware that you are currently in a dream, but you don't control it, you just know, alright, this is a dream. Lucid. Vivid dream, when you become aware that you are in a dream, but also you control your whole body as you wish. Both of those states can be a key to open up higher dimension. And first, you will require to understand this simple method that I share in this video. I'm not gonna give you a lot of details on it, but I'll give you the basic right now. You simply need to be able to put a certain focus on your third eye all day long, or as much as possible. And to do it, imagine a triangle this way that is pushing backward within your head, but mostly focus on this point here. And it will compress the muscle and the spinal fluid toward your pineal gland. This activates it, and the more that you enhance the energy upward, the more intense that it becomes. And my point is, in the dream world, there is a keyboard from which you can operate from. If you have seen the movie The Matrix, Neo became able to control the Matrix when he will have no doubt. If he knows that he can do Kung Fu and he's so good at it, then he can do it and it works. Similarly, when you want to operate anything in the astral world, you must have no doubt. You must know that what you desire to do is done. You can do anything. And as you focus on your pineal gland and your pituitary gland and you elevate the energy, use your willpower and your mind, knowing what you want. Make an action and it will happen, whether it is vivid or from a lucid dream. If you do this method and you know with your willpower that you are teleporting your being to any location which you imagine vividly, let's say a store that you know that you like. You imagine the door itself in your hand, feeling the door, opening the door, seeing everything, feeling the energy, the ambience. If you really make it as real as reality, it will work. And from this moment on, you are in the higher densities, or as what we call at least as lower 5D, which is already higher than the 3D dimension where we live. And from here on, my friend, just test all your power, test to do whatever you wish. You will have failure, you will have success, but mostly you will have experience beyond the belief of somebody speaking. If you want to know more on how to use those power that you can into this dimension of the dream world, check out this upcoming video. Any question that you would like me to make a video about, let me know within the comment. Thank you so much, and if you found any value, like, comment and subscribe.